Greetings, fellow Earthlings. My name is Jake, and I'm a barefooted climbing nature lover from the Appalachian foothills of southern Ohio. Today, I wanted to show you some of my favorite photos I've taken and places I've explored all across this amazing state. I hope you enjoyed exploring Ohio with us, and remember, this is only a glimpse of what Ohio has to offer. If you liked the video, or want to see us make a different kind of nature video, I'm all ears, so leave a comment. Don't forget to tap subscribe, and as always, enjoy the great outdoors. Leave it better than you found it, and thanks for adventuring with dangerous naturists. P.S. All the music in my videos was created by me or friends of mine, and I usually leave a link in the description of where you can download the songs for free.